I start early. It's always early. But this is filmmaking.
3, 2, 1, action.
My name is Carolina, and I bring stories to life. So, how do I do this? Whatever way I can. I want to create the most beautiful footage possible and ensure that quality is never compromised. In any scenario, no matter what I film, from the rawness of actuality, when there is a story to discover, and moments are fleeting. Reliability is key. To the control of a studio, when the story is mine to tell. And connectivity equals collaboration. But the easiest question of all, why do I film? It's the freedom to be creative, whether working alone or working together, to make something that makes people feel something. In the end, I don't care what time the alarm goes off. This is why I make films. What's your reason?